How to use ChatGPT Pulse feature in 2026. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, what you need to understand is as of April 2026, ChatGPT Pulse is a premium proactive AI feature designed for pro users on mobile, iOS and Android. So make sure you're updated to the latest version of ChatGPT application, open it up and you log in. Now, if you select upgrade, you can proceed to upgrade to new features either on Go or Plus. So what you can do is Pulse is only available to subscribers on the high tier Pro plan. So you need the Pro plan, high tier Pro plan, and what you want to do is it requires specific settings. Ensure you have the latest ChatGPT, turn on memory, go to your settings, personalization, and then under memory and enable reference memories and reference chat history. Then what you can do is you can also navigate to settings on your ChatGPT, and under settings here you should be able to find the option here. So as I mentioned earlier, first head into personalization. Under personalization, what you want to do is you want to head to memory option, and under memory you can see reference saved memories. You want to enable that. Then also head over to settings and look for pulse mode that you should find here if you have the premium here. Then you can proceed to enable that as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below.